Okay, let me ask you one question.
Yes,
What
sir.
is insurance? Why it's important in our daily life?
Jojo, basically, it's very simple. Insurance is financial safety. Just financial safety. Let's say I die, uh, my regular income stops for my family, and family needs money. That's paid by insurance company. So that can be applied to anywhere. You lost your business, you lost your cargo, a property is damaged. Everything can be paid by the insurance company. So it's financial safety. Whatever you lose, if an insurance company will pay for that. It's a
Okay.
very simple word.
So what does actually insurance professionals do?
So, so there are two ways people see it. Now, we coming from India, we usually see insurance agents. So basically,
Okay.
they are only doing sales. When they come with a sales mind, what they do is they have a product, they sell it just like any other salesman. That's not what we mean as insurance. As an insurance professional, what we expect to do is to understand a risk.
Okay.
Now, uh, we are sitting in the studio. What's the risk here for us? Like you invited a guest here, a fire happens, and if I get in an accident, I might sue you, right?
Okay.
That's a risk for you in your field. So have you insured that? So that is what an insurance professional has to identify. What's the risk involved in your business? Now, a cargo business. What are the risks involved? Nobody have heard about a war risk, because we recently got a lot of inquiries in political violence, because during war, usually most of these operations stop, and have we got covered for the war risk in your cargoes or the property or anything. So this is what an insurance professional has to identify what are the risks involved in a business and give the right advice to a client. Now, you being in this field, you may not be knowing what are the risks involved in your field. A risk manager or an insurance professional has to identify that and advise you. That's what I do.
Can you give me a brief introduction about yourself and how's your journey in the insurance industry?
Okay. Just by name, I'm Emil. I work for a company called Howden Insurance Brokers. I'm an insurance broker. So I had a department called Employee Benefits. When it's employee benefits, what we handle is an employee risk, which are basically two things. What is group medical policies and group life policies. We in our company, we only concentrate on the corporate medical and life. We don't do individual life and medical, but that's what we do. So in terms of my career, I started just like any other graduate from India. I just did an MBA. MBA was in marketing and HR. Then did a post graduation in insurance. Then from Chartered Insurance Institute, London, I've done a certification. So if you look at my profile, I will have a Chartered Insurance Practitioner attached to my name. So basically, I am an insurance professional specialized in risk management.
Why do you choose insurance as your career?
Be very frank, I didn't choose insurance. I just somehow came on this way. So just like any other professional, I got a campus placement in a bank in India. I was working as a probationary officer in South Indian Bank. uh, I just got the job. I joined. I started working there. It was a safe job there, but I was not very happy. It was just a process flow. You have to just follow the process of a bank. There's nothing more challenging there. I left the job. I got better salary in an insurance company, and I followed that. Uh, I was not very serious with this industry in the initial days. When I came to UAE, I found a new field in insurance, which is called insurance broking.
Okay.
Okay, that is where I got serious with insurance. That was in 2010, where I got into broking. So what do you mean by broking is we don't have our own products. We don't sell insurance products. We are consultants. So for a corporate company, if you go to an insurance company directly, they will sell whatever is available in their kitty, whatever is in the shelf. Their property policy, they sell it. Their motor policy, they sell it. That's not what we do. We go meet a client, a corporate client, identify what they need, what are their risks, then write policies for them, and buy it from the market. If it's not available in the UAE market, we buy it from the London market and fund it with an insurance company here. So that's what we do in consulting. So that was in 2011. I got into this field. Then I got serious with this business. That after that I took a PG in insurance.
Okay.
Then the certifications in insurance. So then when you start liking your business, then you get more involved in it.
Okay. So what are the jobs available in the insurance sectors? So as we know that only the insurance brokers who's calling for the phone to getting the insurance, common man they understand only insurance means this. So what are the job available in the insurance sectors actually?
So it's a very vast sector.
Okay.
So we have, as I told you, I'm into broking. Then you have insurance companies. Then going to the next level, we have reinsurers. So it goes like the reinsurers who carry the major risk, then the insurance company who also carry the risk, then the brokers who consult with the clients. So everybody needs people to consult with the clients. So starting with that, we need salespeople, we need employees to retain a client.
Okay.
We call it retention managers or relationship managers. Then we need underwriters. Underwriters are the people who evaluates risk.
Okay.
Now then day-to-day administration for a policy. So there are many policies which need a lot of transactions every day. They are called as administrators. Of course, the other departments are all connected with an insurance company, like an HR, like finance, everything. Then nowadays, what we need the most is data analyst. Now we manage a lot of data of a client. So being in this medical insurance field, we get raw data from the insurers with regards to the claims of a client. We have to analyze the data and advise a client and say where you are losing your money, which kind of policy, which areas your employees are utilizing more. So that comes on the data analysis field. Then definitely we need people to develop softwares in insurance, make it easy for the clients. Now, for example, for motor policies,
Okay.
I don't think anybody goes to an insurance company or a broker to buy a motor policy. Just log in the site, you'll get it there.
Yes.
Yeah, so that's so simple. So to develop that kind of things, we need people to develop softwares, AI-driven softwares. So all those things are associated with the policy, with the company, and we need such people.
So when you talk about AI, will AI replace your job profile in future?
AI will take over some of the jobs of us now, and we welcome that. The thing is that in my current organization and the previous organization, my last 13 years career, I've never sold an individual motor policy, individual travel policy,
Okay.
individual life policy, even my own motor policies or travel or anything. I've done it through an insurance company directly, not through my company, because I don't think these are the kind of jobs which we need to do. These are very simple things. These are easy products,
So
small ticket size.
in all times they are doing manually this all.
All these things are doing online.
Okay.
All these were sold online. Humans were not available in that field. And there is nothing more challenging in that field.
Okay.
So definitely AI will take over all those things, and it has to take over. Now, anything that require a human touch, where you need a consulting, I don't think AI can take over that.
Okay.
That is where insurance is better, because a consultant being in this field, you need to be there.
Correct.
Yeah, and you need to analyze a risk by reviewing it or talking to people. Definitely a human has to be there.
See, suppose is insurance career is good for you the future?
Definitely, yes.
So why you can say that in terms of financially or in terms of the career growth, or it's like a
Of course, financially as well as because it's a complex field. It's not an easy field. Okay, I don't want to encourage people to just come into the field and fail here. It's not an easy job. Now, I started my career in insurance in 2009, if I'm not wrong, 2009. In my batch, we were 30 people who were trained at a center in Bangalore in insurance. Out of the 30, I'm the only person who is in this field now.
oh
Yeah, because it's not an easy job. It's a high risk job. It's a high pressure environment. And what happened, not everybody can go through it. So if you want to be successful in that field, you need to learn the policies very well. You need to learn each and every wording, because if you have seen the policy wordings, like 10 pages, 15 pages, how many of you have gone through it? I can confidently say that I have gone through each and every wordings, and I can explain one by one to a client. That requires a lot of time, a lot of patience, understand that. And the first few years in insurance, you will struggle. It's not very easy. But once the struggling phase is over, once a client know that you have some content in you and you know what you're doing, they will buy it from you. You don't have to go and sell it. They will buy this from you. So that is how you develop your career. Definitely, it's an excellent field. And once you are into this field, companies will pay you for what you are worth for.
Okay.
And most companies pay well here in this field.
So that means a lot of opportunities in this field. And as a new student who's watching
Yeah.
this video,
Yeah.
might they have a curiosity about this? What are the skills they might require to enter this field? Because you already mentioned that everybody's cup of tea.
It's
So-
not everybody's cup of tea. Yeah.
So it is what they want to ensure before entering to such, especially insurance field. What kind of skills they required?
Definitely, you need analytical skills,
Okay.
problem solving skills, a good communication skills, a lot more. This is what I can remember. Uh, this is what, like, go understand things. That's called, comes under the problem solving and analytics. Communication is very important because you need to properly communicate to a client on what they have, what they need to add, all those things. And uh, being in that field, like, don't being in that field, you need to start developing these kind of skills.
So can a introvert or shy person can enter in the insurance field? They can be excel in that.
Of course, because people say that introverts cannot be in this field. No, introverts also can be in this field because it's not just sales or consulting which is available in this field. Uh, uh, because if you're smart enough, you can present things over a presentation or a
Okay.
video and show that and present it to a client. They may have to just talk to the point. You don't have to go and have a cup of tea with your client. No, and you can always show products in the presentations. Read it. If they ask questions, answer it. It's fine. Anybody can do that, but learn the product well. Number two, it's not just the client-facing people who are in insurance.
Okay.
In the background, there are a lot of people. There are actuarials who price a policy. There are underwriters who evaluates risk. All those people are mostly desk jobs. You can be on your own. You can be at your home and work. Absolutely fine. So even an introvert, if you can understand a product, if you want to master product, fine, you can come into this field.
So that means any stream students can enter this field, or any arts, commerce, humanities subject to those who are studying, they can also enter into insurance, or
Of
they
course,
want.
because commerce, arts, engineers, because general risk risk managers are mostly engineers.
Okay.
Because if you go to a factory, if you need to understand the risk involved in a factory, they are mostly engineers who can understand that.
So basically, all kind of stream in they can enter into insurance.
All kind of, even doctors, because in my department, I have 3 doctors,
Okay.
2 nurses, and what do they do is they manage the medical claims.
Okay.
So when they manage medical claims, they need to be medically qualified. So they're paid more than a doctor in a clinic
Oh.
because they understand. They are the people who are talking to an insurance company on behalf of a client. Just imagine you talking to an insurance company for your own claim than a doctor talking for you.
Okay.
Okay, and in general lines claims, an engineer talking on your behalf who understand your risk rather than you going directly to an insurance company. So yes, we need doctors, we need engineers, we need medically qualified people, we need statistics people, like they are the ones who is into actuarials. We need commerce people, arts people, and a lot more.
And what are the courses available for the insurance field? So if they want to pursue after third standard.
Okay, so after 10th or 12th, I suggest people to do whatever they like. One is they can be in commerce or bachelor's in management or whatever. In addition to that, what they can do is courses in insurance. Because I did a post graduation in insurance. This is from International Institute of Risk Management from India. So there are similar universities available worldwide. They will teach you insurance. Even in MBA, you can specialize in insurance.
And is there any bachelor degree for insurance?
I'm not very sure about that. We have MBAs in our office whose specialization was in insurance.
Okay.
Even in there are courses available in Delhi. Not every universities provide that. So you can take a paper in insurance, that's available. You can have a PG in insurance, it's available. Post to that, you can have more certification in insurance. There are universities like CIA London who give certifications for people. We call it ACII. That's where you become chartered, or that's a title you
Okay.
might have seen. It's available in this field.